Best tech of 2025? Look no further. This video reveals the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need. Want to snag these incredible devices early? Check the links in the description below. The competition was fierce, but these innovative products blew us away. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2 sets a new standard for smartwatches with its rugged design and groundbreaking health features. It's the ultimate adventure companion. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts an unparalleled camera system and lightning-fast performance, making it the best smartphone of 2025. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones deliver an unmatched audio experience with industry-leading noise cancellation. Immerse yourself in pure sound. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro redefines drone technology with its compact size and professional-grade features, perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Number 5. Google Pixel Fold combines the best of both worlds, offering a seamless transition between a phone and a tablet. This foldable marvel is pushing the boundaries of innovation. From cutting-edge smartphones to revolutionary wearables and beyond, these gadgets represent the pinnacle of tech in 2025. Don't miss out.